In this video, I am going to show you how to upload a snapshot, whether it's a graph, a table, an image, to your discussion post. So what you want to do first is write out a brief description of what the snapshot is about, and then you want to upload it right below that text. So I have it going right here. You're going to click on this icon, which is Insert Image, and you can hover over any of these icons just to understand what each of them are. So I'm going to click here, and now I have saved this snapshot into a folder that's on my computer. Okay, so I will click Computer, and you can either drag that file right into this box, or you can click Upload. And here is my screenshot folder, which is on my desktop. I'm going to click here, click Upload, and you want to store in course files, and click Add. And this is just for accessibility purposes, so you can just say this is graph on undernourishment in Venezuela. If it was decorative and just a picture, you can just click there. Click OK. And then here's my graph right underneath. And that is it.